my beautiful friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a haul, and I've recently gone to different drugstores and also like Target and Walmart, and just picked up a bunch of beauty items, makeup, a few hair products, and a few other bits and bobs that I want to share with you all today. So before we do get started with today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss up on any of my uploads. But that's about it, my friends. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the haul. I'm just gonna try and do all the makeup first, and then we will get started with like the hair care or like the randoms, but I'm gonna go ahead and do makeup first. I know some of these things might be super old and you have probably watched a bunch of videos reviewing these items, but let me know if you would like to see me try on a full face of drugstore makeup or a full face of like new makeup, so that I can go ahead and film that for you. But the first item that I'm going to share with you is a beautiful palette. This is by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is the Let's Elfing Do This palette. This is a collaboration with Jen Atkin. I picked this up a long time ago, but I have not used it yet. I went ahead and picked up the deeper palette, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So let me know if you want to see like a review with me trying this out. So this is the first item I wanted to share with you all. From that collection, I also picked up this little, what is this called? This is a hair and brow pomade. So you can use this for your hair or for your brows, and I've already used it on my hair and I love it for my hair, but I would love to try it out in a video for you all, like on my eyebrows, so let me know down below. In that same collaboration, I picked up the Extra Lip Duo in the color Self-Made Pink. It's still in the little package because I have not used any of these, but it comes with the liner and the lipstick on the other end, so I'm super excited about this one. So I went ahead and picked that up as well. And last but not least, from that collection, I picked up the setting mist. This is called, let me see, just the Miss Me setting mist. Looks like this, super cute. I absolutely love the packaging on this collection. I had to pick it up because all white packaging, super sleek and beautiful, so I went ahead and picked it up. Let me know down below in the comments if you want me to test all these products out in a brand new video. I know it's a little bit, okay, maybe a lot old, but I would still love to test it out on my skin and my skin type for you all. So just let me know what you would want to see from me. All right, next up, I went ahead and picked up this e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer, and this is the matte one. I have the pink one, which is like the poreless putty primer, and it looks like this. I actually have it right here because I used it today, but I wanted to try the matte version because I've heard really good things about it, and my skin is like oily, so I would really love to try this one out. So I went ahead and picked this one up as well. I also watch Juicy Jazz here on YouTube. She's absolutely amazing. Like she just brightens up my days with her videos, and I wanted to try out this that she recommended in her channel. This is by Hard Candy, and it looks like this. This is the Chilling Wonder Powder. This is a loose powder, but it's kind of like chilling, and it's supposed to feel very hydrating under the eyes. So I went ahead and picked this up. I believe it was less than $5. I found it at Walmart if you are curious. Next up, I repurchased this. I absolutely love it and use it so much. This is by NYX Cosmetics, and it's the Tinted Brow Mascara in the color Black. I absolutely love this one. It's just a repurchase for me. It's amazing. That's all I'm wearing right now on my eyebrows, so I just cannot live without this anymore. So I went ahead and picked up one because the one I have currently is running out and I needed another one in my collection. Next up, I went ahead and picked this one up. This is by Milani, and this is the Conceal and Perfect Smooth Finish powder foundation, I believe. Cream to powder foundation. So it looks like this right here. I'm super excited to test this out. It kind of went a little viral on some videos on Instagram, so I'm excited to test this out. So I picked this one up. Super cute packaging as well. Talking about foundations, I also picked up the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. I know for sure this went viral on TikTok, and then I ended up seeing it on Instagram. I saw that this was super hyped up and it just literally went viral everywhere. So I finally found a shade. I'm not sure if it's gonna be perfect for me, but let me know if you want me to test this out for you. And I got it in this shade, let's see, Sand 220. So I'm excited about this one as well. I'm into foundations right now at the moment, so I cannot wait to test that out. Another recommendation from Juicy Jazz is this hydrating primer by Hard Candy. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. If you get something from this haul that I'm doing, this is fantastic. It is hydrating and it grips onto the makeup, so it's literally the best of both worlds, hydrating and it keeps your makeup in place all day. So I absolutely love this one. I also went ahead and picked up another e.l.f. concealer. This is a 16-hour concealer and I just picked up the shade medium warm. I actually have it out of the package because I was using it this week, but I went ahead and picked up another one. It's just a repurchase. You all know how much I love my e.l.f. camo concealers and the hydrating concealer as well from e.l.f. They're absolutely amazing. The best $6 you're ever going to spend. So if you haven't tried this already, I absolutely recommend it. So this is just another repurchase for me. Sticking with e.l.f., I actually went ahead and picked up the Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. It looks like this. I absolutely love the packaging of it. It's so gorgeous and I'm just super excited about the cooling factor. I love like things that feel cooling on the skin, and I've heard so many great reviews and people like really raving about this one, so I can't wait to try this out. Super amazing, and I'm just very excited about this one. I also went ahead and picked up this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush, and it's just like a liquid blush or a cream blush, but it looks like this. It has like a doe foot applicator. It kind of looks like a lip gloss, but it is a blush. It's a soft cheek tint blush. It's like a mousse formula, so it's super cute. I have used this one before, like not on camera, but like on an everyday, and I absolutely love it. This is the shade Coralicious, and it's super gorgeous and just super perfect for summer. So next up, I was at Walmart and I went ahead and saw this. This is the Bio Blender by Equal Tools, and what this claims, it's 100% a biodegradable makeup sponge. I was super intrigued by it, and it was only about $5. It also has 100% plantable paper packaging, so this paper packaging is actually plantable, which is amazing. So I thought I would give it a go and pick it up. It looks really nice, and I'm always up to trying a brand new sponge because I love applying my makeup with sponges. So I went ahead and picked this one up. Now I know you can't find these at the drugstore, but they're very affordable and you can probably find them at Ulta, and I picked up 3 new palettes from ColourPop Cosmetics. I went ahead and picked up the one that is called It's My Pleasure, and it's just a bunch of little purple beautiful colors. I actually wanted this one because of this purple color right here, so I went ahead and picked this one up. I think it's gorgeous and I cannot wait to go ahead and try this out. I also picked up this one, which is Mint to Be, and it's basically a bunch of mint eyeshadows, and I was super excited about all these eyeshadows. Look at how gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to do like an all matte mint look or like a shimmery mint eye. I think these are going to be great, so I went ahead and picked this one up as well. And last but not least, for ColourPop, I went ahead and picked up this one. Look at how gorgeous. This is the Lizzie McGuire palette, What Dreams Are Made Of, and I just had to pick it up. It just brings back so many great memories when I was younger. So that's actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today, and I love it. I absolutely love this. This is what the shades look like. So pretty, and they're super blendable, guys. Like amazing, a dream to work with. So I'm super excited to share this with you, maybe do a fun little look. Let me know below if you would like to see that. So those are my 3 newer palettes that I picked up from ColourPop. Again, they're super affordable. You can always use a code to get a discount, but these particular ones, I actually bought them online, so they came out even a little cheaper because there was a sale going on. So I absolutely love them, and I cannot wait to create some looks for you. The next makeup items that I have here, you can only find at Dollar General, so I'm super excited. I'm pretty sure you've heard about these, but they're all like $5 and under, and I'm so excited about them. So the first thing that I picked up, and it's by the brand Believe Beauty. So I went ahead and picked up this foundation. This is in the color Toffee. I needed a little bit of a lighter shade, but I think I can make it work. I heard great reviews about it, so I was excited to see this at Dollar General. From the same brand, I picked up the translucent powder, which looks like this. Super cute, just a basic translucent powder. I love the packaging on this one, so I'm super excited to try this out. I also picked up this one. This is the Radiant Glow Loose Setting Powder in Golden Pearl. I thought this was such beautiful packaging. Look at that gold, it's so gorgeous, and like this color is absolutely fantastic and perfect for summer. I'm just super excited about this one. So let me know if you want me to try this out and maybe do a Believe Beauty makeup routine very soon. Also picked up another highlighting palette by Believe Beauty. This is the Luminizing Glow Trio in Sandstorm. And let me show you the colors a little bit closer. This is what the colors look like. So beautiful. Let me try one. Wow, here's like a swatcheroo of the colors. I'm super excited. How are these going to work on my skin? I'm just so excited, and I thought I would pick this up because, you know, your girl can never have too many highlighting powders. So this was about $5 as well, or less, but I'm super excited about this one. I also picked up the Believe Beauty, I guess it's a Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Charmed. So I thought this would be a really pretty color. I don't know, what do you all think? So gorgeous. I'm super excited about all these goodies. And I picked up a concealer. This is the You're Covered Liquid Concealer. It looks like this. I picked it up in the color beige. So I'm super excited about both the concealer and the liquid lipstick. And last but not least, from Believe Beauty, I picked up this. And this is the Color Me Cream Blush in Doll Face. And let me show you. This is what it looks like. What a pretty color. Super cute for summer. Very pretty and pink. So I'm super excited about all these Believe Beauty products. If you want me to film a video trying these Believe Beauty items, let me know in the comments down below. I'm super excited to see how these work because the price is absolutely fantastic. So that's it. All the makeup that I picked up. I just want to share a few more items that I went ahead and picked up just randomly. I think this was Target or Walmart, one of the other. But the first one was something for my hair, and this is the Keratin Soothing Oil. Looks like this. So it's just a spray that you essentially put on a damp hair. I am not sure how this works. I'm going to try it out again. I tried it once, but I think I sprayed too much of it on my hair, and it just my hair looked really nice. Don't get me wrong, it looked like smoother. I'm not frizzy like maybe right now, but I just felt like it weighed a ton. So I'm not sure if I added a lot because I did like go really heavy handed with it. So I'm going to try it one more time and see, and hopefully it does not make my hair feel super heavy, but I did like how it looked. Since I'm still trying to find something that like makes my hair not so frizzy, I actually saw this one today. Oh, and it's by the same brand, but this is the coconut oil, and it's also in a spray. It's a weightless hydrating oil mist. So I'm gonna try this out in case I end up not liking this one. They were both around $6, so I don't know. I really need a haircut, by the way, but while I get a haircut, and just because I have a lot of frizz and a lot of like baby hairs growing out right here, I really need something to tame them. So I went ahead and picked these two up. Also, I purchased this. This is the Dove Irritation Care Fragrance Free Ultra Moisturizing Body Wash. If you have super sensitive skin, I actually do on my body, on my arms. So, this actually has no fragrance. It will not irritate your skin, and I just love it. So I had to repurchase it because I'm running out, and I just wanted to mention it here. And last but not least, I know this is from Target. I was at a shopping trip with my mama, and I saw this. Whoops. Let's just put that back. I saw this, and this is by the Mix Bar right here. I picked up the Tangerine Squeeze Hair and Body Mist, and let me spray it. It does smell like tangerines, but it smells kind of fresh as well. I don't know. I smelled the perfume there because they had little samples, but I didn't want to go for the perfume just yet. I wanted to try the spray first. It smells pretty good, but I think now that I'm smelling it, the perfume smelled a little better. Obviously, it's going to be different because I smelled the perfume, not the spray, but it still smells pretty good, and it's perfect for summer because it's like a really fresh scent. So I went ahead and picked it up, and I don't know why, I'm just loving the packaging on this. So yeah, I wanted to share this with you all. Let me know if you've tried the Mix Bar and which one is your favorite scent, or which one I should try out next. But yeah, that is the last item, my friends. Whew. This was a long video. That is the last item that I picked up. I'm super excited about all these purchases. If you want to see a full face of new makeup or new drugstore makeup or Believe Beauty makeup, let me know please in the comments down below. What do you want to see first? Did you enjoy this haul? I would just love to hear from you all. That's about it, my friends. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, friends.